The secret to make meaningful conversation is to aware deeply of your inner light, your key message, and what is your message that you like to bring to the world. And if you're not aware of your key message and deepest desire, you can see deeply from your hobby and passion. And do not make your hobby as your attachment, but as a bridge to look deeply into the primordial cause of creation, your deepest desire. For example, people who like cooking, they might be like surfing or service. And people who like painting or dancing, maybe the true core value of their deepest desire is beauty. Make your hobby as the examination of your deepest desire, and actually your deepest desire is the reflection of the pure awareness, pure consciousness. And when we have the capability to look at our hobby and therefore our deepest desire and therefore the pure awareness, we can be a leader in our society to connect with the world, connect with people, and have a meaningful conversation, not just mundane gossips or everything, but the conversation could be a bridge to connect deeply, and therefore from our hobby or from our daily activity, we can emerge deeply and go deeper, go deeper, go deeper as the topic arises in the conversation. It's naturally become the bridge to examine the world, to look deeply at the world, to look at the dimension that actually your inner light. When we can use our topics like that, the conversation is not shallow, but it's deep. We use our hobby and activity as the bridge to deepen the conversation. And actually, every conversation is have the purpose of healing, of emerging the wisdom within, to extrapolate the wisdom of the universe. And we are not concentrated in our ego, not I, not you, but the field between us. The field between us could be a vehicle from the consciousness, from the universe to manifest itself through our topics. And therefore, when we do conversation like that, we can have multiple creative idea, compassionate idea that actually could emerge from the vehicle of our hobby. So the key main thing is to know and aware firstly of your hobby, your deepest desire, your inner Shakti, inner light, and also pure awareness if you could. And after that, use every conversation to discuss deeply about the world and connect deeply to the people. Have a self-disclosure that is bring closer and closer rapport and connection. And after that, connect your true deepest desire with the people. Connect and honor every deepest desire of the people, honor every light in human and all living being and non-being and everything. And therefore, it is the you build the community of the world. You connect to the Sangha, to the community. And every conversation will be very meaningful if you connect to the community in that way. In mindfully, with mindfulness, with compassion, connectively, and focus on the deepest light or your message and every other human message and connect them in a beautiful ways. Thank you for listening, and I hope you can find your hobby, your inner light, inner Shakti, inner message, and connect them to the world and build a community of a new earth, and the community of light, the community of compassion. Thank you and bless you.